Come here, calm down. It's just snow. Wipe your face. You okay? It got on your face. Don't panic. Ooh, you got snowy hands too. Clap them together. Hard. That's how you get it off, baby. Yeah, clap together hard. You got snow all in your hair too. That's why I told you put your hood up. You're gonna have wet hair. You can't be out here forever too. We gotta go inside and warm up soon. So y'all play while you can. All right. Well, don't be touching a bunch of snow then. Your hands will get freezing. All right. We about to go in and warm up here soon. Y'all are starting to turn red. No, they're soaking wet, baby. I gotta take them in and warm them up. You ready to go warm up and start the fire? All right, y'all play for a few more minutes, then we're going in to warm up.